Today I'm reviewing Angry Birds. Spring is in the air. This is a new board game from Adel, and it's the third game of Angry Birds Knock on Wood. There's Angry Birds Space 1 coming soon, by the way. This is how it works. This is new. 2 glass, 1 brick, and they have new pig alterities, a bunny pig. They have breakable glass. They upgraded Redbird too. Here are basically the game pieces, of the characters. I'll keep this one next to a statue. And they have this pig right here. They have this pig right here. They have this white bird. That's new. Basically, you launch the bird like this. Wait. Ah. Give me some space. Launch this little girl. Ah, I suck. Also launch the pigs if you want. Oh, you suck. Ah. I recommend buying this game from Target. It's the Easter game. Oh, there's gonna be Space 1. They'll probably have Redbird, Lizardbird, and Icebird on this game, and the Angry Bird Space.